Today we're going to create this cute lion face logo. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Let's make this logo. First get rid of our fill color. Now select the stroke and make the stroke point to 5 points. Then grab the ellipse tool and make a circle as 800 pixels horizontally and vertically. Align this circle to the center by using Align panel. Then make 1000 pixel circle as well. Place that circle like two circles just touching their outlines. Hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag to make a copy of this path and place it like this. And make another copy and just drag it horizontally. You can see now smart guides are helping us. Now select all of the paths that we created and go to the Shape Builder tool. Now hold Alt key and click on a path to get rid of a path. If you want combine two paths, you just have to drag across them. Now go to your layer palette and you can see there are our two paths that we created and some black lines. Select that black lines and delete those layers. Now we have our two paths on our layer palette. Now go back to the ellipse tool and make a 1000 pixel circle. And place it right here. I don't think this is the right size. So you can adjust your circle size by dragging on a corner, but hold the shift key while you are doing, or your circle will become a weird shaped one. Now make a copy of that circle and place it little bit above. Make another circle and place it on the right anchor of this little circle. Then drag on the left anchor point until these two circles go overlapping. Now select all the paths and go to the Shape Builder tool. Get rid of the paths that you don't need. Now go to the layer palette again and delete that black lines we talked about. Now make a 900 pixel circle for this next part. Place it like this. Make a copy of this circle and place it like this. Now go to the Shape Builder tool and delete those paths you don't need. Now make a 600 pixel circle to make the face of our lion. Align that circle to the center using the Align panel. Grab the pen tool and create a curved line like this. Make a copy of that line and mirror that line by holding Alt key. To mirror this path, grab on the side and drag across the object. Now select both paths and go to the Pathfinder tool and use Unite command. Now select these paths and go to the Shape Builder tool. Get rid of this upper path and combine remaining paths. Make sure there are no black lines on our layer palette. and make a copy of this path. Shortcuts are Ctrl+C and Ctrl+F, or if you're a Mac user it'll be the Command key. Select this path and one of the copies that we created and go to the Pathfinder tool and use the -front command. Then select this path and select the other copy of the face and click on the -front command again. Now you can see there are these 3 paths that we want. Let's add some colors to our logo. Click on this path and add a gradient to it. Then go to the gradient palette and add a color like this. There is the color code if you need. Now add a light color the other side. You can adjust your gradient angle by clicking on the gradient palette icon and dragging. Now add more lighter color to one side to the other path. You can add the same gradient to this part as well. Then select all the paths and get rid of all the strokes. Now let's create face of our logo. Create a 600 pixel circle and move it right here. Get a copy of this circle and use it as the other eye. You can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the objects. Now add the same gradient to the eyes as well. Now get rid of the strokes of this paths. Adjust the gradient angle as the upper path looks like more lighter. Now make a 30 pixel circle to use as the eyeballs. To this circle we can use the white color. Make a copy and use it for the other eye. Now create a 30 pixel circle and use it as the nose of our lion. You can align this circle to the center using Align panel. Move it little bit down. Now create a 60 pixel circle. Make a copy and make them overlapping circles like this. Make this a stroke artwork. Grab the scissor tool and make some cuts across the centers. Now select the upper path and delete it. Make the stroke as 4 points. This is our final logo. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.